I've always wanted to be a dietitian, and I just thought that going through the dietetic technician major first would be a good step because I think it's important to know the relation between food and diseases. My favorite part of Morrisville is the teachers. They're very willing to help you at any time. Morrisville offers a lot of hands-on activities that make it a lot easier to learn. This semester we're focusing on community nutrition, so we go to clinicals. Obviously you get a lot of hands-on in clinical where we meet with patients once a week and we look for nutritional issues with that particular patient. The small group makes it easier to learn as we have more one-on-one time with teachers, so they're able to help us a lot. Once I graduate from the Dietetic program here, I plan on transferring on to becoming a dietitian and getting my bachelor's, hopefully my master's within 3 years.